Now, a series doesn't tell just one story, but it tells many stories. And in fact, it will, if it's truly serial, it will be able to tell a limitless amount of stories. And crucially, it doesn't always have an ending. And most of the time, it won't have an ending if it's a serial thing. ER, nobody thought of an ending before they started that series. Game of Thrones, they didn't think of an ending before starting that series because the ending hadn't been written yet. You know, the final book still hadn't been written yet. So, you don't need an ending to start a series. So that also means that probably the meaning of a series won't be contained especially or exclusively in the ending of it. So we'll have to find another way of defining what you want to communicate and what you want to talk about in a series that's meaningful and isn't just, mindless entertainment. Mindless entertainment can be fun as well, but it probably won't last for X amount of seasons. So the question, if it's a limited amount of stories that you're going to tell in a series, and if you're here working on a movie, how difficult it is to generate one good story, how are you going to generate limitless amount of stories? Well, you'll need a serial concept. And a serial concept, to my mind at least, consists of two main things, a premise and a theme.